So let us go for the third one. So in the third one we have to find out B complement. So here, but we know that B complement is given by means of mu minus B. So in order to find out complement of B, so that particularly B must be subtracted from the universal set, that is mu. So here this is the formula for finding the B complement. So based upon this principle, so here B complement is equals to universal set mu, but universal set mu elements are of universal set mu elements are of 1 to 12. So here mu elements are of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Minus so elements of B. So here set consisting the elements of B are of so here set B elements are of 2 to 12. So these are the even elements, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are the elements of B. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are the elements of set B. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are the elements of set B. So here those are also the elements of mu set, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So here they are gets cancelled. So in order to subtract, we have to cancel the similar elements. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are the elements of set B. Similarly 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are also present in this. So here similar elements are cancelled here. Then the elements which are left over in the first set are only the elements of, that is B complement. So in this manner we got B complement elements as, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are the elements of B complement. So here in this manner we got B complement elements as the odd numbers that are less than or equals to 11. So let us treat this as the third one. Then now fourth one. So under fourth one, so we have to find out we have to find out A complement intersection B complement. So here we have to find out A complement intersection B complement. In order to find out A complement intersection of B complement, so here we have to write the A complement elements. So here A complement elements are of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 intersection with B complement. B complement elements are of 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and 11. Then now here A complement intersection B complement is equals to, so elements consisting, so here intersection mean the common elements. So here intersection is nothing but intersection of the two sets, that is A complement and as well as B complement. Intersection means the elements which are present in both the sets, that is A complement and as well as B complement. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are the elements of set, that is A complement, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are not present in this particular set. So here, So but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are the elements of B complement, but these elements, so here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these elements are not occurring in this set, so they are not common, so none of the element is common here, therefore, so we can write it as empty. In case there are of common elements, we would have written here within the brackets, there are of no common elements present here, so therefore, so we have to write the set consisting no elements, so it can be written as 5. So in this manner we got A complement intersection B complement is equals to 5, that is the empty set. So let us write this as the fourth one. So let us observe the first one. The fourth one is of empty, that is A complement intersection B complement, and these the first one. So this is the first one. So here first one is of A union B whole dash. So A union B whole complement. So A union B whole complement, A union B whole complement is also of 5, that is empty set. So here from 1 and 4, from 1 and as well as 4, the first one is of A union B whole complement is equals to empty set, then that is equals to 5. So here we got from the first one. So next one is of fourth one, that is A complement intersection B complement. So this is the fourth one. Fourth one, A complement intersection B complement is also 5, that is the null set, is equals to empty set, that is equals to 5, which is nothing but the empty set. This is of fourth one. So from these two, so here right hand side sets are of 5 and 5, that is those are the empty sets, right hand side sets are equal. So these two are equal sets. Since right hand side sets are equal, therefore left hand sets must be equated. So from this it is clear that, so here therefore we can write as, so here A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. Here we can conclude this statement as A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. So similarly, we can write, in case, so here A union B whole complement, so here instead of union, if we take it as intersection, then here instead of intersection we have to write it as union. So here we can frame one more formula, that is A intersection B whole complement is equals to, so here instead of union I wrote it as intersection, then right hand side will be of, so here A complement, so instead of intersection I have to write union, so here B complement. So here note, so in this manner, so we got the first one as, so here A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement, then now second one as, so here A intersection B whole complement is equals to A complement union B complement.